Hello Golden, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thanks for joining the family. Having a small fridge sometimes stops us from buying more food items, especially when the food items is in season and we want to take advantage of it. But in this video, I will be showing you how I manage my mini fridge. Some fresh fruit comes in big sizes. Buying cabbage and cucumber can take up a lot of space in mini refrigerators, but this does not stop us from buying them. I mostly go to the market with list of food items in season and buy as much as I can. And instead of throwing it into the fridge, I wash all my fresh items and allow the water to drain off or dry with a clean napkin. I usually dice vegetables for sandwich, fillings and omelette, and slice some for stir fry and salad. I blend all my ginger, garlic and onion and store. Slicing vegetables into the fridge saves us a lot of time and also creates space in the refrigerator. When vegetables are sliced into the fridge, sometimes it's easy to just fetch some and put it on top of the food you are eating, instead of eating the rice raw or eating your yam raw. In my country, we consume a lot of carbohydrates, so slicing vegetables into the fridge can help us consume more vegetables. So it's advisable to freeze the ones for cooking and refrigerate the ones for salad. And also, vegetable slice shouldn't stay in the fridge for a longer period. They can go bad, especially if it contains moisture. Blending ginger, garlic and onion is really helpful, especially to busy moms and students. It saves a lot of time and it also motivates us to cook, or motivates me to cook. When I have ginger blended into the fridge, I can easily prepare whatever recipe because it seems that is the most difficult item to work on. It also kills the urge to cook. For my dry ingredients such as rosemary, black pepper and cloves, I crush them and store in a spice container. Homemade spice is very good because you know what is inside the spice. But if you think you cannot make your own spice, it's best you buy quality spice in town. After going through all the process of blending tomatoes, onions, I clean my fridge and my freezer and start arranging the things into the refrigerator. The freezer is very small in mini fridge and it wouldn't be able to accommodate whole food, so blending it is very important to enable all your items fit into the mini freezer. I usually leave ingredients for the week inside the fridge for easy access. The diced vegetables can be placed in the freezer, but I prefer to arrange it in the refrigerator because of the quantity. I mostly shop for veggies every 2 weeks, so I don't need to store it for a longer time. That is legit how I organize and manage my fridge. I create space to reduce messy fridge and helps me easily spot items that are finishing or perishing. I hope you learned something. I hope this video benefited you in one way or the other. If you're having a small fridge and you're always complaining, my fridge is too small, I need a bigger one, and you are alone or you're a family of 2 or 3, sometimes just reorganize your fridge, dice up some veggies, blend up some tomatoes, ginger and garlic, arrange it, and you will enjoy the mini fridge in your house. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below if this video was helpful to you, and subscribe to join my family if you want. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.